Hey guys! We're just on our way to Portugal. Well, we will be soon when the taxi gets here. So we're just finishing off packing our bags. Then the taxi will be here to take us to Birmingham Airport, where we're going to be flying to Portugal!
Portugal! Sorry for the fact that we didn't post a vlog last week. I think I posted about it back on my Instagram about the fact that I've had loads of exams the last couple of weeks, but now they're all finished. I've passed, which is the best bit. Woohoo! So that's why there's been no vlogs, because I've been busy revising and writing portfolios and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, now we're back. We're heading to Portugal, like Adam just said, and we've got absolutely tons of stuff to film. I've got my MacBook with me, so we'll be trying to edit and post as we're there as well. So you should be hearing lots from us this week. Alright?
Exciting times.
Let's finish packing and we'll get the taxi.
Hi everyone, so we arrived last night at Portugal. It was quite late, so we just went and got some food and went back to the villa. But now we are off to go and get some supplies, so some food and stuff from the supermarket. And then we're going to go for a bit of a swim later on.
Alright guys, so we've been in Portugal for about 4 or 5 days now. We've got the loads, we've just really got to grips with being back here. So we've done a bit of shopping, a bit of chilling by the pool, a little bit of general kind of work over the fence, making sure everything's kind of in good order. So yeah, pretty chilled really. We've got a couple more different vlogs coming, a bit more focused vlogs I guess, coming over the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for them. If you guys want to see anything specific, drop it in the comments, but we've got all sorts of different stuff planned. And if you like Instagram, head over to our Instagram, because we're upping our game over on Instagram as well. So rather than using mobile shots, we're going to only use shots from our mirrorless GX80 camera, and then all of them are edited in Lightroom or Photoshop. So it means more work for me, but better quality images for you. Our Instagram stories will still be mobile shots obviously, but all the content that we upload to there now will be better quality than it has been. But yeah, so yeah, if you want to keep up to date with where we're at, we've got some big stuff coming up in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months. So yeah, keep updated. Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, let us know what's happening. If there's anything you want to see while we're here in Algarve, drop it in the comments and we'll go see if we can check it out and film it for you. See you later guys.